Road Glide, getting the AMS quick disconnect sound system. Just got the fairing out. Drilling the bags. So our first stage of drilling. Rocker amplifier just got installed under the stereo. This is the mission. Getting these spacers, mounting the 6 lines in the bags. Not plug and play either, Sonny?
Yeah, no plug and play también.
Frustrating, huh?
Yeah, especially the boss.
When you wanna make a hit, give me a call. West Coast represent for all the y'all. One love to a dog behind the wall. Big dog, no time for all of y'all. We work out, reutilize time. Find something in ourselves to find. I make it go see. This is the key to my rip. I'm the jaw tapper. I'm a big G in here like Antonio. Got the glory of fix you up completely. I just might pick myself so she can feel on me. Watch out, boy. It's coming from trash, asthmatic, roaring like cancer. I'm all out of breath like a nigga asthmatic, but asthma here's the perfect answer. And also here's your last chance to just try to make it over the wall.
Put her up, dog!
Take out the HK, puts on the silencer, insert the 30 shot mag. Bullet stuck to his brain like a mag. Skull and fragments, I leave to clean up the track. This is anybody. Fucking everybody. Nigga, all y'all. For real. You don't fuck around and get killed. This is on for new things. Copy on the sound, yeah.